In this step-by-step guide on how to email related records in tabular format from Flow, let's first see what we are trying to build. Or in other words, let's begin with the end in mind. Let's navigate to the account record for Edge Communications. This account has some cases. What we want to do is to email a list of these cases to one of the contacts for this account. Since there are multiple contacts defined for the account, we also want to allow the user to select the contact to whom this email should be sent. And the email must be nicely formatted, and the list of cases should appear in a tabular format. So the way this is going to work is that the Salesforce user will click on the button to email list of cases. When the button is clicked, this will initiate a flow and display a list of all the contacts for Edge Communications. The user will select a contact and click on Send Email. The flow will send the email and show a confirmation screen to the user. Let's click on Finish and check the email that has been sent. And as you can see here, the contact receives a nicely formatted email with the list of cases in a tabular format. This is what we are going to build in this step-by-step guide.